Welcome to Tale Crafter English, where every story unlocks a new you. Today, you're not just watching a video, you're standing at the door to a brighter future. If you listen with all your heart, this could be the moment that flips your life upside down in the best way possible. I'm here to share a truth that will spark a flame in your soul, a truth that can turn your fears into unstoppable courage. Let me ask you something straight. Are you happy with your English right now? If you had a chat with someone from Canada, Australia, or the UK tomorrow, would you feel bold and ready? If your answer is no, then this is your wake-up call. Your English won't grow wings on its own. It needs you to act, and that action starts today. You're not here by chance. You're here because you crave more, a stronger voice, a bigger world, a life you're proud of. And I'm telling you, you can have it, but you've got to unlock it now. Your future doesn't open by accident. It doesn't unlock because of luck or a random wish. The English skills you dream of, the ones that lead to better jobs, global friendships, and fearless travel, come only when you grab the key and turn it. Stop hiding behind excuses. You know them. I'm too nervous to speak. I'm not young enough. I don't have the money, or I'll do it later. Let's get real. Excuses are just chains you lock around yourself to avoid the work of growing. They're heavy, they hold you back, but you can break them. Do you know why so many people never master English? It's not because they're not clever or don't have time. It's because they don't move. They sit, they worry, they say, it's too hard, or I'll mess up. But you're not them. You're here, ready to unlock your potential. You have the power to rewrite your story, but you must choose to start.
Right now, today.
Think of someone like Nelson Mandela. He was locked in a prison for 27 years with no fancy schools, no easy path. But he studied, he read, he learned, even in the darkest times. He used words, English words, to inspire a nation and change history. Did he have it simple?
No.
Did he have all the tools?
No.
What he had was a fire inside, a refusal to give up. Now, let me ask you, what's locking you in? Is it fear of mistakes? Is it doubt whispering, "You can't do this"? That whisper is a lie. You are enough. You are bright. You are ready to learn English and build a future that shines. The only thing in your way is you. So, let's make a deal today. Promise yourself you'll stop doubting and start doing. Promise you'll take one tiny step toward English every day. One step. That's all it takes to begin. Close your eyes for a second and see this. It's a fresh morning, and you wake up in a home buzzing with hope. You feel strong, speaking English like it's your own. You walk into a cafe in New York or London, order your coffee, and chat with a barista, no sweat. You join a meeting with people from Sydney or Toronto, and your words are clear, confident, powerful. Your job takes off, maybe a raise, maybe a new career, because your English opens doors wide. You travel to places you've only dreamed of, understanding signs, songs, and smiles. Your family looks at you, their eyes glowing with pride, knowing you've built something amazing. Now, open your eyes. Does this feel like a far-off dream? It's not. This future is yours to unlock, but it needs one thing: your effort. You must commit to learn, to practice, to keep pushing forward. Your habits today are the keys to your tomorrow. Every choice, every minute you spend learning or wasting, shapes the life you'll live. Let's talk habits, because this is where your future takes shape. Be honest, how are you using your time? If you're spending hours on Instagram, binge-watching shows, or scrolling through reels, you're not just passing time. You're locking your dreams away. Every hour you give to distractions is an hour you could have used to learn 10 new words, practice a conversation, or listen to a story. Time is your greatest treasure, and it's slipping through your fingers. Successful people know this. They guard their time like gold. While others are lost in their phones, they're studying. While others make excuses, they're practicing. While others dream, they do. Think of Serena Williams. She didn't become a tennis legend by lounging all day. She trained, she focused, she worked through pain. You don't need to be Serena, but you can follow her lead. Value your time. Start small. Learn 5 words today. Say 1 sentence. Watch 1 English video. Those small keys unlock big doors, and soon you're speaking English with ease. Now, think of your family. Think of your mother, who gave up so much to raise you, who poured her heart into your future. Think of your father, who worked long days, who carried heavy burdens to give you a chance. They didn't sacrifice for you to stay stuck. They dreamed of a life where you're free, strong, successful. Don't you want to make their hearts soar? Don't you want to show them their love built something incredible? Imagine your mother's smile when you tell her you got a job abroad because of your English. Picture your father's pride when he hears you speak fluently, knowing you've unlocked a new world. This isn't just about a language. It's about honoring those who gave you everything. It's about building a life that brings them joy, peace, and pride.
And it starts with English.
It starts with you saying, I will learn. I will grow. I will make them proud. Learning English takes grit. It's not always a smooth road. It means skipping that extra hour of sleep to study. It means practicing when you're nervous, when you stumble over words. It means choosing work over play, focus over fun. But every tough moment is a key turning in the lock of your future. There's a story about a woman who wanted to speak English fluently. She went to her teacher and asked, "How do I get there?" The teacher took her to a locked gate and handed her a rusty key. "This gate leads to fluency," he said, "but the key only works if you turn it every day." She turned it day after day, even when it was hard, even when it stuck. And one day, the gate swung open. How badly do you want to open your gate? Do you want it like you want your next breath? If you do, you'll find a way. You'll study, you'll speak, you'll keep turning that key no matter what. Surround yourself with people who open doors, not close them. Look at your circle. Are they pushing you to grow or pulling you back? If your friends mock your efforts, if they waste time on gossip or games, they're not your path to fluency. Step away. Find people who study, who dream big, who light a fire in you. Your environment is your foundation. If you build on sand, you'll crumble. If you build on stone, you'll stand tall. Think of it like a tree. If it's planted in poor soil, it wilts. If it's planted in rich soil, it thrives. Plant yourself where you can grow. And if you can't find those people yet, inspire yourself. Read about Nelson Mandela, who learned in a prison cell. Read about Serena Williams, who turned hard work into greatness. Their stories are your fuel. Use them to keep going. Believing in yourself is the master key. The world will try to lock you out. People will say, "You're not good enough. You'll never speak like a native. Why bother?" Don't let them in. They're wrong. You are enough. You are capable. Every fluent English speaker started where you are, unsure, tripping over words, feeling small. But they kept turning the key, and so will you. Failure isn't a dead end. It's a detour. Serena Williams lost matches, but she never stopped swinging. Every time you mispronounce a word, every time you forget a phrase, you're not failing. You're unlocking. Each mistake is a turn of the key, bringing you closer to fluency. Embrace it. Learn from it. Keep moving. You're not your mistakes. You're your next step, your next try, your next win. Take time for yourself every day. Life is loud, phones buzzing, work piling up, stress shouting. But when did you last sit quietly and ask, what do I want? Find 5 minutes, even 10, and think. Ask, how will English unlock my future? What will I do with it? Then talk to yourself. Yes, really. Say, I am strong. I am ready. I will master English. Your mind is like a garden. What you plant grows. If you plant doubt, you grow fear. If you plant belief, you grow power. Say this with me. I am unstoppable. I am the best. I can do anything. Write it down. Stick it on your fridge, your desk, your heart. Repeat it every morning. Your mind listens to you, so tell it you're a champion. Tell it you're unlocking a future that shines. Visualize your future every day. Close your eyes and see it in color. Picture yourself speaking English in a new job, clear and confident. See yourself in a London park, chatting with strangers, laughing easily. Feel the thrill of watching a movie, catching every word, no subtitles needed. Imagine standing before your family, sharing your success, their faces lit with pride. This isn't a fantasy, it's a blueprint. If you can see it, you can build it. But vision needs action. Every skyscraper starts with one shovel of dirt. Every fluent speaker starts with one word. Learn 5 words today. Speak 1 sentence. Listen to 1 story. These are the bricks of your future. Lay them daily, build them with care, and watch your English rise. Your mind is your strongest ally, but you must steer it. Negative thoughts will sneak in. I'm too slow. I'll never get it. What if I fail? When they come, stop them cold. Say, no, I choose belief. I choose action. Train your mind like a muscle. The more you lift positivity, the stronger you get. Think of your brain as a compass. You set the direction. Point it toward confidence, toward solutions, toward growth. You are extraordinary. Want to speak English fluently? You will. Want to travel, work abroad, or chase big dreams? You will. The only lock is you, so unlock yourself. Stop saying, I can't, and start saying, I'm doing this. Stop waiting for perfect and start now. You don't need anyone's okay. You just need your own yes. Start small, dream huge. Big goals can feel like giants, scary, overwhelming. But every giant falls 1 pebble at a time. Want fluency? Learn 10 words a day. Want confidence? Practice 1 sentence in the mirror. Want to understand songs? Listen to 1 verse today. These steps are small, but they're mighty. In a week, you know 70 words. In a month, you're speaking paragraphs. In a year, you're holding conversations. Small keys open big gates. And every key you turn is a reason to cheer. Be your own fan. Look in the mirror and say, I'm proud of me. I'm growing every day. You don't need the world's applause. Your belief is enough. Find inspiration all around you. Read about Nelson Mandela, who turned a prison cell into a classroom. Read about Serena Williams, who turned sweat into stardom. Watch videos of English learners sharing their wins. Their stories are your spark. Let them light your fire. Every night, ask yourself, what did I do today to unlock my future? What can I do better tomorrow? Write it down. Track your journey. Celebrate every step. Learned a word? Amazing. Spoke a sentence? Incredible. Watch this video? You're already winning. Success is built on these moments. Keep stacking them. Consistency is your secret weapon. Gratitude is your anchor. Every morning, write 3 things you're grateful for. Maybe it's your family who believe in you. Maybe it's your chance to learn, to grow. Maybe it's you, your heart, your fight, your will. Gratitude shifts your view. It turns obstacles into opportunities, mistakes into lessons, effort into progress. Think of one thing you're thankful for right now. Hold it tight. Let it drive you. When you're grateful, you're unbreakable. You see the world as a place of possibility, and you run toward it. This is your moment to unlock everything. You're not here for a small life, for shaky English, for half-hearted dreams. You're here to soar. Dream massive. Dream of top jobs, world travels, a youth that shines. People might doubt you now, but they'll marvel later. Cut out the locks holding you back. Endless scrolling, empty chatter, things that steal your time. Replace them with keys, study a phrase, practice a sentence, listen to a tale. Your life is shaped by your choices. Every day, you decide who you'll be. Choose growth over ease. Choose focus over distraction. Choose courage over comfort. You're tougher than you know. When you want to quit, push one more inch. When you think you're done, give one more try. Growth lives outside your comfort zone. Say new words, even if they feel strange. Speak, even if your voice wobbles. Make mistakes, because they're your map. Time is ticking, you don't have forever. Live like every moment counts. Your past doesn't own you, your next choice does. Take charge of your future. No excuses. No waiting. Just you, your work, your dreams. Let your success shout. While others talk, you act. While others hesitate, you learn. While others dream, you build. Every word you master is a win. Every sentence you speak is a trophy. Celebrate them. They're yours. Write your plan today. What will you learn this week? What will you change? This is your life, your story, your key. Don't let it rust. The world is waiting for you to unlock, to speak, to inspire.
Start now.
Work hard. Never stop. The path is hard, but you're harder. I believe in you. Go unlock your future. You are unstoppable.